out, I go put me in a problem, you know, because if I go back to the woman, I go here, so I can't drive. No, I'm not go back in here, I go visit him next time. You know, you, did me I go back? No, I go back there. Me right, pause there. Oh, Jesus, I think he pass. After me now go back down there. And then believe that me not going back. Say Annie is Annie Black the what I'm to the big person. What I'm to the Annie your what I'm to the big person. You send me money? How much money you send me, I'm big person? Yeah, but me, how much money you send me? Because I don't know where money there. What, tell me the money there now? Yeah, me see Lando. Me see him. Sunday when I come back, I send somebody, I now come, I send them, no, too much of them know my face. I send somebody and quote them, I come down here. Brit, how much money you send me, make me go pick it up? I will text you. Alright, Brit, don't block Brit, you know? Hey, if you want to ramp with Brit down there, hey, look here, put 2 security around Brit for me now, please and thank you. Hey, if you never ramp with Brit, hey, you don't know me now? Hey. Love you, baby. But guys, me see him. Me see him, man. Me see him. Look in your inbox. Alright, Brit, I will. Brit, pan this a page, I text you. Pan this a page, Brit. So, me just want to ask, I text you. On this page? On this, yeah. So, me just, police me touch. So, me just ask you, I'm just asking a question, Brit. So, I send me money, and the next hour, I then block you. You did you face it with me? After you send me look of money, you did you face it with me? Oh God, Brit, nobody take care of me and ring with me and tap it. Eh? Brit, what happened? Me then block you? No, on. Oh God, no block anybody, guys. No block you, look a blessing. Mute the people, them, if they don't deserve to get blocked. Alright, don't do that. But I know that we are talking about now. Me see him, man, the boy look fresh. You know, so me need to go to jail. Because Lando look like a vacation in the pan, you know. Look like he had put on the belly, you know. No, man, me need to go to jail, you know. Me need to go to jail. He does look nice. He look AC wise.
Who you see him?
That's who you want, man. That's what I get you, man. Them are look.
Dirty foot boy, when I move from here, so.
You mommy?
Eh?
You see him?
Yeah, me see him. The boy king cool. When Lando did their road, he look black. He look brown now. Me get jealous. Me not ask me if I could have come inside and visit for a while. Oh, you give Chanel the juice? You give me coconut water, right?
Yeah.
You tell her if you drink the coconut water?
Yeah.
Oh, eh. Drink some of this one, something good for you. Guys, I go home now. You already do as much on the road now today, not true? Annie, you look good, so. Annie.
When I feel it.
We don't know. God, I just have to say God. The amount of stress me I go through. Guys, what happened? What going? What going?
Andrew passed, man.
How would that? Andrew Holness? You have to be Andrew Holness? No, man. I president. How would that? Annie, what going?
I'm going to read it again. I'm going to tap and smoke my weed. Yeah, anytime I'm going to drive, I think you're fucked up. like you said, and that's smoke.
Guys, me no want you see people them where honestly me have only for supporters and so. For my other page, me get people where just black people and them something that me end up have to go release them. So you see anybody where they in a blacklist right now, me go release you know. Alright? You see if me see my moderator them, I have to trust my moderator with enough things. So if my moderator put some people in a mute, and I go unmute very soon. And if you in a blacklist, and I go come out. I wish you only got a good energy from now. Energy from now. Hold on, I want to make sure. Read this to me good. Read this to your mother good. I'm my son. I wish you
attract only good energy from now. You're caring and
affection. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much. Me know me get crazy, like me know me get very disrespectful at times and so forth, but you know the type of person me is. You understand? Thank you so much for that, and thank you for seeing that in me. Who else will only give them mute, honey? Okay, mute them moderator. Moderator, just mute. Me unblock later, alright? Mute moderator, mute. Alright, so later then can come back in, add me. Hold on, let's see me if I add Anna. Which one of the Anna them? Which one of the Anna them? My daughter Anna or my moderator Anna? Me must say me have more one Anna, you know. Which one? Your mother, oh, my moderator Anna. Okay.